it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I've got a bit of a Top Tip Tuesday. I used yesterday the Rooted in Nature stamp set for my Christmas tree card. This is a double stamp set. It's huge. This is the one that I describe as the male version of Frosted Florals, or I guess Frosted Florals is the female version of Rooted in Nature. This is very much more earthy, so it's great for mail cards. If you remember, I made my husband's wedding anniversary card using Rooted in Nature, and it was a really earthy, very much a masculine card. So that is a clear mount stamp set. I tend not to buy the wood mount stamps unless I've ordered the wrong thing. So there's, excuse me, this works by sticking to a block. And you know that habitually I do not stick the stickers on the back because I find they don't stick to the block. So here's one of the leaves, and if I put that on the block, it kind of occasionally will stick, but generally speaking I have a real problem with that, and I know that a lot of you do as well. When we were on stage, and you will remember I showed you this when I came back from on stage in Orlando, it was one of the sets that I got free and is in the spring summer catalogue. It's so pretty. This is Cling. It's a Cling stamp set, so it's still red rubber, and if I pull one of the stamps off and I stick it on, you will see I've got the sticker on, and that ain't budging because we've got new sticker sheets. So they are really, really sticky. You do have to be careful, both when you pull it out of the case and also when you take it off the block. You do have to be careful that you have to actually lift a corner rather than just try and pull it off, because it's so clingy you could end up ripping the grey foam, and that's not a great idea. So just be a little mindful of that. So I have stuck all the stickers on to my stamps, which is unheard of. And I've also got this bit left. So my top tip, and it's what I used for the Christmas trees when I was using them yesterday, is attach your label and then take a small piece of the offcut, and this is the trickiest part. You need to just separate so that, now I have got a piece with words. It's perhaps not the best bit. In fact, let's just trim that away and just use that little bit there, and I'll just pop that in the middle of my stamp, and then I can peel that off, and as if by magic, that is now, ooh, complete with a piece of paper, that is now sticking beautifully, and you can just peel it off. So I'm going to be sticking my stickers on my stamps so I can see what I'm doing, and it's particularly great for sentiments, because now if I take this set, I've got these lovely long words and there's no clue which way that has got to be unless I put the sticker on the back. So now I can have the best of both worlds. I can have stamps that actually stick to the block and my stickers. So my top tip, keep this, because you can now retrofit your clear mount stamps with Cling. So when this comes out, and if you're a demonstrator, you're obviously going to be able to get hold of this as part of your pre-order in December. So I think it's the 5th of December we can start pre-ordering. If you're not yet a demonstrator, you can pop new sets. So from the 5th of December, demonstrators can order from the spring summer catalogue. So if you were to sign up and join my team in December, you can order items from the spring summer catalogue as if you were a demonstrator. You'll get £130 worth of product for just £99, and that's delivered to your door. You don't have to add shipping on top of that. So ideal time to purchase. Get your spring summer items early and then get extra bits at a discount come January, which is when Celebration will start. So you'll get a discount and Celebration benefits just by signing up to my team now. So thank you very much indeed for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, please do contact me. You can either leave a comment below which I normally answer my YouTube comments about once a week. And if there's specific questions, I will try and answer them there. Otherwise, if you've got a very specific question, my contact details are over on my website, which is linked in the description bar below here. I'll have some photographs to explain what I've done, and you will also find my email address, so just drop me an email and I'll get back to you with a full answer if you've got particular questions. There's also details of how to sign up to join my team and all that good stuff. If you don't already subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do. It's in the bottom right hand corner, just here. There's a subscription button. If you would like my newsletter, excuse me, I've got to cough. If you would like my newsletter, you can sign up for that over on my website as well. So yeah, thank you very much indeed for watching, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye!